Circleville until Tuesday afternoon. At 9:30 a.m. Monday, the stage was 15 feet. Flood stage is 15 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this morning to a crest of 15.2 feet this evening. It will then fall below flood stage Tuesday morning. Impact at 15 feet. Low-lying agricultural and bottomland becomes flooded, while flooding begins along island and canal roads. The flood warning continues for the Scioto River near